All right, translating phrases into equations. Before we do equations, let's go back over expressions, because an equation looks basically as expression equals expression. We're just going to introduce an equal sign into these to turn them into equations. All right, so remember, if you see different sum, product, quotient, and basically the word and, it's going to be some operation between two numbers. So that's exactly where the operation is going to go, right where the and is. That's where you want to remember it. It's between those two numbers. And then if you see product, remember you're going to get a parenthesis most of the time, and it could be between the two numbers that you're multiplying. So 4 plus 3, so that it has to be the product of, multiplication goes here, and then it's the product of this and this. That's one way to put parentheses. The other way is this. We have 4 times the sum. So basically we're multiplying the entire sum. So the two different options, it could be between the parts, or it could be between the entire whole, and sometimes both. Alright, if you need a review on this, go back to the expressions video with translating. There's the other two special cases. Alright, so here's the new thing. Oh, sorry, let me just go through it real quick. Remember, a number subtracted from and 7 less than a number. Those are switched. They're not in the order they appear. They're backwards. Alright, so the product, which means this is multiply, and what word do you have to find? There it is, the and. The product of 3 and a number is. This is the new word. Is means equals. If it's in front of a less than or a greater than, those are also inequalities, but we're not doing those right now. But is means equals. And then we have 4, more than, that's plus, number. This is the only new thing. If you're going to translate an expression, there's no is. If you're going to translate an equation, there's the word is, or is equal to. So, that's all you're going to do is change the is to an equals, and translate the sum of 7. So remember, sum means addition, so that and is a plus. 7 and 8 is, so equals, right, there's an equal sign. The number of dogs in a car. So what letter do you want to use? I like D for dogs. So there's our equation. Okay, one more and then I'll let you try the rest. 4 subtracted from 8. Remember, these are backwards, so it's not 4 minus 8, it's 8 minus 4, is equal to the product, so we look for the and right there, put a dot, of a number and 3. And then there's your equation. We could also rewrite this as 8 minus 4 equals 3x. You don't have to put x3. Alright, give them a shot. There's 3 more for you to try. Remember, no is, no equation. If there is an is an equation. So try number 4, 5, and 6 by hitting pause and then unpause it for the answers. Hit pause now. Alright, and there are your answers. So you should have had an equal sign underneath the is or the equals. Forgot a dot in there. Okay. Alright, thank you.